Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble another kit that I made for Valentine's Day. I'm very happy that this is my second video for this year. I hope that I will make a lot of videos for this year, but who knows. So this is letter pocket and you can fill it with a lot of goodies. As you can see, there they are. It's very easy to make it, and you can decorate it with a lot of things. Let me just put them together. Okay. I think that this present for Valentine's Day is going to be very beautiful for loved ones. As you can see, I already decorate this one. I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate this one. Okay. And let me take my leaf that is down. I use this leaf. As you can see, it's transparent. Let me find my ribbon. There it is. Okay, I'm ready. It's very easy. Just need to cut all the pieces together, and it's very easy to assemble it. I use distress ink to distress the edges a little bit to give it more vintage look. Again, the idea is very easy to do. Just put the glue on the edges and stick. Okay, let me just move it a little bit like that. And if you need, trim. Let me take my scissors, trim here and here, trim the edges, the axis. Yes. Okay. That's it. And I'm going to put this beautiful leaf somewhere here. I like the way it looks. And I'm going to use, there is one little sentiment here with this beautiful heart. I'm not going to put anything else. You can use foam tape if you like to make the sentiment pop up. There it is. Okay, and let me just fill all the goodies inside. Oh, this is big one. Yes. Okay. The flower and this beautiful, I think it's what was the name? Swallow? I don't know. Am I saying it right? Okay. It's very fast. I hope that you enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe my channel. I forgot to say, I'm sorry that I'm saying it in the end. I forgot to say that you're going to receive in this kit one PDF when you buy it, one PDF file which you will have 2 pages, and of course you are going to receive a Valentine's Day gift that is made from my heart, because I like to make gifts. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. One more time, please like it and subscribe for my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.